Hello, my name is Matthias. This is the project governance for S/4HANA Cloud. Let's see what it is. As you know from my previous videos, the implementation of S/4HANA Cloud follows the Activate methodology. The methodology goes along a process that is guided by your SAP team as well as your implementation partner. To show you the governance of a project, we will see on the following slides who will support you and how. This is the life cycle view of any S/4HANA Cloud project that follows the Activate methodology. Throughout the whole process, you will be guided and supported by different team members on both sides, SAP and your implementation partner. The CEE, which is basically my role, is responsible for project governance and will be always your partner throughout the whole life cycle. This means after signature of your S/4HANA Cloud contract, we will come into place and support you. We will stay with you within the whole implementation and afterwards to guide you through the process of expanding your solution to your needs and getting out the most value. With preferred success, you get even more technical and proactive support by the customer success manager. They will give you advice on the solution and help you throughout the implementation and further. Sometimes they are supported by product experts that give you deeper insight and a direct connection to our development. Please note they are only available as said by preferred success. Last but not least, we have the implementation partner. This may be SAP or our partner ecosystem. They will basically help you to implement your S/4HANA Cloud solution, and afterwards they probably fade out or help you in terms of a continuous adoption to really make the most out of your S/4HANA Cloud solution. You can view your team as a triangle that supports you while you are implementing your S/4HANA Cloud solution and further. But the base or fundament is always the SAP Enterprise support. Let's go into each of those roles. The Customer Engagement Executive, or in short CEE, will support you throughout the whole life cycle of your S/4HANA Cloud journey. He will be the main relationship contact for you in the product of S/4HANA Cloud. We will stay with you throughout the whole life cycle of your S/4HANA Cloud journey. Beginning with the first step after deal signature, your CEE will be assigned and guide you through the onboarding. You can see a short video on onboarding for S/4HANA Cloud on YouTube. The next step will be that we provide information, sources and web links to anything which is related to your S/4HANA Cloud journey. For any question, please contact your CEE. We will be as well responsible for commercial aspects. This means if you finished your implementation and have any questions regarding your subscription or how to enhance the scope for your benefit, as well the CE is the first person to contact. Further, we will be as well responsible for the solution adoption and the consumption measurement. And at the end, for your business outcomes. We will be your strategic guidance throughout the whole process and lead together with your project sponsors the success of your overall S/4HANA Cloud journey. The Customer Success Manager, or in short CSM, will be the technical counterpart to your CEE. We will bring in this useful resource if you have preferred success. Please note, preferred success is not only consisting of the CSM. It has a broad value consisting of learnings and better service levels and more. You can find information on this contacting your CEE or your account executive. So what is the CSM about? They have on the one hand reactive services and on the other hand proactive services. The reactive services are mainly based on going through the incidents together with you and getting more valuable resources in the support organization where you don't have access normally to. You can, for example, use the Meet the Expert services or have exclusive webinars that help you through your process of implementation. They even further can activate the MCC, the Mission Critical Control, if you have larger amounts of incidents or have to work closely together with the CSM right before you go live. The proactive services are even more relevant because they help you to go through the process smoothly without running into any issue. So for this, you will have a success plan that you develop together with your CSM. As well, they will be responsible for engagement review that gives you detailed overview over the technical solution, your incident handling, downtimes, and further details which are only coming with preferred success. The quarterly scorecard gives you the ability to review the success of the project and as well give you an overview about what comes in the next upgrade, see what's interesting for you, and work on every innovation that comes with any of the upgrades we have in the life cycle. As you remember, we have 4 upgrades a year. They will give you some guidance, what to expect, and as well what to test when the upgrade is coming, to be ready after the upgrade to directly get use of the innovation with every upgrade. Last but not least, in our triangle, there's the implementation partner, which may be, as said, SAP DBS or an external implementation partner that is certified for S/4HANA Cloud. They will give you consulting services based on the best practices for the Activate methodology, as well from their rich experience from their successful projects for other SAP customers for S/4HANA Cloud. They give you as well a knowledge transfer for your key users to enable them getting the best out of the solution, and on the other hand, transfer from the key to the end users any knowledge which is important to run the solution to your benefit. But before you run the solution, they give you technical expertise and as well proactive services in the delivery. The implementation partner will help you to get your SAP S/4HANA Cloud solution running, and afterwards, in terms of continuous adoption or value assurance, make sure that you can even enhance the solution to your needs and getting the best ROI on your S/4HANA Cloud solution. The most important thing is to make you successful throughout the S/4HANA Cloud journey. For this, the CEE will introduce you in detail in the governance model. You can review this slide attached to the presentation or linked. The most important thing to know is there's on the one hand an escalation ladder and on the other hand a governance which goes from the strategic goals down to the operational business. The first point of contact will always be your CSM. He gives you support in the day-to-day business on a weekly basis. When you have further things to escalate, the next step on the right hand side will be your CEE. That is the first point of escalation, which may go up to the executive level, where you have on both sides people named that will be making sure that everything goes into the right direction of the project. On the other hand, the governance is about to make sure that in quarterly business review, the goals are set, the targets are defined and broken into tactical and operational levels that you can steer together with your CEE. This process has two sides, the escalation path going up and the governance going down. Review this material attached or linked to this presentation. When you are within the project, you have several roles to fill with different persons of your organization or from your implementation partner, which may be for sure DBS from SAP side or external implementation partner. Every role has its counterpart and must be filled with one or more person. It's possible to have one person be assigned on several roles, which may be for most of the customers true. Here's a part of the selection of the roles you need in your project, and on the next slide there will be further ones. They will be explained to you by your implementation partner when your project kicks off. Here you can see the further selection of key roles within your project. Make sure you have them defined and selected well for your S/4HANA Cloud implementation. Feel free to reach out to your implementation partner that helps you to guide you through the S/4HANA Cloud project. You have any further questions, do not hesitate to contact your CEE or your implementation partner for any question on project success through project governance. Thanks for your attention and watching the video on project governance for S/4HANA Cloud. My name is Matthias. I'm Customer Engagement Executive for S/4HANA Cloud. Thank you very much.